Imagine finding scientific research papers in seconds instead of wasting hours scrolling through Google Scholar and confusing academic websites. That's exactly why Consensus has become one of the most popular AI research tools in 2026. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use it step by step to find research papers faster and understand scientific information more easily. So, first of all, Consensus is an AI-powered academic search engine designed to help users search through scientific studies using simple natural language questions. Instead of typing complicated keywords like traditional research databases, you can ask questions the same way you talk to ChatGPT. For example, you can search things like, does running improve mental health, or is intermittent fasting effective for weight loss? And the AI will scan scientific papers to generate summarized answers based on real research studies. To get started, you simply go to the Consensus website and create a free account. Once you're inside the platform, you'll see a search bar where you can type your research question. After you submit your question, Consensus searches through published academic papers and starts displaying AI-generated summaries along with related studies. One thing many users love is that the platform highlights whether the research generally supports, disagrees with, or remains uncertain about a specific claim, which makes understanding scientific consensus much easier for beginners. Another great feature is the filters. You can sort results by study type, publication year, research quality, and other criteria to find more reliable or recent papers. This is especially useful for students, researchers, and content creators who need trustworthy sources quickly. Many online reviewers also praise the paper summaries because they simplify complicated scientific language into something easier to understand without needing advanced academic knowledge. Another useful feature is that Consensus often provides direct links to original studies, which helps users verify information themselves instead of relying only on AI summaries. According to many Reddit discussions and user reviews, this is one of the biggest advantages of the platform because it combines AI convenience with real academic sources. However, there are also a few downsides you should know about. Some users mention that the AI summaries can sometimes oversimplify complex research topics, so it's still important to read the original papers if you're doing serious academic work. Others say certain niche subjects may have fewer available studies, which can limit the search results. A few reviewers also mention that while the free version is very useful, some advanced tools and unlimited features are locked behind paid plans. Overall, though, most reactions in 2026 are extremely positive because Consensus makes academic research feel faster, easier, and much less intimidating for everyday users. So, my honest opinion is this: if you regularly search for scientific information, write essays, create educational content, or simply want evidence-based answers online, Consensus is honestly one of the best AI research tools you can use right now. It's not a replacement for reading full research papers carefully, but it's an amazing tool for saving time and discovering relevant studies much faster. And if this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your favorite AI tool for research in 2026.